Hi, and thank you for being here. The fact that you're here and that you've walked alongside me, whether it's been for a couple of weeks, months, or for years, please know that I appreciate you. And knowing that you're here has given me the courage to show up as myself. And for that, I'm grateful. And as I move into 2026, that courage is shaping the way I want to work, the pace I want to keep, the way I want to show up for myself and for you, and the kind of presence I want to offer. So, starting in January, I'm going to be choosing a slower rhythm and a more deliberate way of creating and of connecting. And for me, it means simplifying a lot of things. So, I am choosing to step away from algorithms. Many of you know that I am not active on Instagram and on Facebook anymore. You might have seen fewer videos show up on my YouTube channel. And I just don't want to give in to the pressure of being everywhere all the time and showing up in these myriad ways for you. Instead, I want to offer a single point of connection, and that's going to be my website and my newsletter that comes from the website. So, one thoughtful letter each month, something that you sit with and don't skim. Yes, there will be online gatherings, there will be in person offerings. I will probably have some workshops down the course that you can take at your own pace in your own time. You might even have opportunities to purchase handmade, tangible gifts from my online shop. But what I'm not going to do is the 7 or 14 or 21 reminders that marketing gurus say one should do. And I'm not going to do a social media barrage. I'm just not going to add to the overwhelm. And I am a former marketing and communications professional, so I know how these things work, and I'm deliberately choosing not to continue doing that. I don't want to be part of that hamster wheel. So I am trusting that showing up once a month in your inbox is going to be enough. And I'm also trusting you that you will remember what matters to you without being chased or nudged or reminded to do what feels good for you. And I'm seeing this as an experiment. It's an experiment in a different kind of relationship, one that is grounded in mutual respect and not one that makes you feel FOMO. I don't want that. I don't want to be part of the overwhelm. I don't want to be part of the noise. So if you want to join me, there's a monthly newsletter. Everything's on my website. There's a monthly Ripple Room, which is my online Zoom gathering once a month. There are no recordings. People show up live. We sometimes end up making, sometimes we just end up talking. I'm also launching Inside the Ripple Studio, where you can get all the insights from this messy middle. And there might be limited edition pieces in the shop later in the year. But what I'm not going to do is create any urgency or have any scarcity tactics. And as I said, I don't want you to feel FOMO. I want you to feel a sense of belonging. And everything will be here for you on my website when the timing is right. So I just want to say I can choose all of this because you've chosen to trust me. And what I'm doing is I'm trusting you. I'm not saying that because you follow everything I do or you buy everything that I have to offer, but because you're willing to show up in a way that fits in your life, in whatever way it does. So, that's enough. That's enough for me. I don't need 50,000 subscribers. I have you, and that's enough. So thank you for being here. Happy holidays, and I will see you on the other side.